Once again, what about DX Land? How about that DX Land? 990 down here, Big Bam. It's checking conditions. I thought I heard somebody come back for 990. I thought I heard somebody come back for that 990. 990 is standing by. Yeah, 990 got you go. 990 got you go. I didn't get your number, but I believe you said Save Cracker. I believe you said Save Cracker. 990 down here in lower part of Alabama there is standing by. All right, Save Cracker. I appreciate the bump back in the shot. Hey, Save Cracker. You take care and have yourself a good one. Hey, Save Cracker, 990 down here in southern Alabama with the good afternoon wave. It's clear and gone. How about DX Land? How about DX Land? 990 down here in Big Bam. It's checking conditions.
999 making a whole lot of noise around the mini state of Rhode Island. 42, but quiet.
Hey, 42. Hey, 42, you see what I done? When you got up off of it, I got right back down on it. Hey, 42. That be 990. Hey, 42, it be 990 down here in southern Alabama, right back to you.
Roger, roger, on the southern Alabama. 42, Rhode Island, the ocean state, the mini-state, the corrupted little state. We're copying the mail.
All right, 42. I appreciate the bump back and the shout out. Hey, 42 sound a whole bunch of good down here in Bam Bam. You making a whole lot of noise. Sound like you sitting up in the studio room right with me. 42, you take care. Have yourself a safe one. 42, your 990 down here in Big Bam. It's clear and gone.
73s, be strong, be safe. God bless you and yours. 42 around Rhode Island, got down.
Good copy, click. No comeback, no get back on DX Land. 99 in the Big Bam. It's clear and gone. I heard somebody come back to 990. I heard somebody come back to 990. 990 is standing by. I heard you when you come back in there, but I didn't catch no numbers. 990 down here in Big Bam, so I heard you when you come back in there, but I didn't catch no numbers or no hammer. 990 is standing by. Hey, 283. Hey, 283, you done it in fine style, make no doubt about it. I caught the tail end of that fire when you stuck it in the wire. 283, your 990 right back to you.
No copy. Alright, 990, I heard you breaking for Skipland. I was in there doing some dishes. Thought I'd come back over here to the radio and let you know you're definitely making it out to the deserts of Southern Cal. 283,
All right, 283, I appreciate the bump back. 283, take care and keep on doing it like you're doing it, because you're doing it the right way. 283, 990 down here in southern Alabama. It's clear and gone.
All right, 990, have yourself a blessed day. Hope everything goes your way. We're just out here in this Conviction desert trying to stay warm this morning. Sitting here trying to figure out how we're going to pay all these high utility bills out here in the beautiful state of wonderful California. 283, Brass Monkey never complaining, just saying, and I'm back out.
All right, 283. Don't stay on the mall too long, because as long as you're on that mall, you're running that light bill on the way up. 283, 990 back on the side of the road. Click.
All right, 990, have yourself a blessed day. It's getting rough and tough, and Mother Nature, she's dipping on me a little bit. 283, Brass Monkey, wishing you a super fine day. Hope everything goes your way today, tomorrow, and every day. KOD 0283, Brass Monkey, been quiet.
Good copy, 283, 990 clear and gone. Click.